Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we're going to learn about nouns and their different types. Understanding nouns is important because we use them in every sentence. So let's start. Look around you. Everything you see, every person you know, and every place you visit has a name. For example, your name is a noun. The city you live in has a name. That's also a noun. The objects around you, like a book, a chair, or a phone, all have names, and those are nouns too. But nouns aren't just things we can see or touch. They also include feelings and ideas, like love, happiness, and fear. So, in simple words, a noun is just a name, the name of a person, a place, a thing, or even an idea. The first two types of nouns we will talk about are proper nouns and common nouns. Proper nouns are specific names for people, places, or things. These always start with a capital letter. For example, Jack is a proper noun because it is a specific name for a person. London is a proper noun because it is the specific name of a country. Similarly, brand names like Coca-Cola or Nike are proper nouns because they are the unique names of companies. On the other hand, common nouns are general names for people, places, or things. Instead of saying Jack, we say boy, which is a common noun because it refers to any boy, not a specific one. Common nouns help us talk about things in a general way. If we said, I live in a country, we could be talking about any country. But if we say, I live in London, we are being specific. Concrete nouns are things we can see, touch, hear, smell, or taste. These are physical objects that exist in the real world. For example, dog, chair, and flower are concrete nouns because we can see and touch them. If you look around your room, almost everything you see, like a table, laptop, or book, is a concrete noun. Now, not everything we talk about can be touched or seen. Some things exist in our minds or emotions, and these are called abstract nouns. They represent ideas, feelings, and qualities that we experience but cannot physically touch. For example, love, honesty, and fear are abstract nouns. You can feel love, but you cannot hold it in your hands. You can experience fear, but it doesn't have a physical shape. Abstract nouns help us talk about emotions and ideas that shape our lives. Some things can be counted easily, while others cannot. Countable nouns are things we can count as separate items. For example, we can say 1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples, 3 books, 5 pens, 10 chairs. Since we can count them, we call them countable nouns. But some things cannot be counted as separate pieces. These are called uncountable nouns. For example, water, rice, milk, sugar. We do not say 2 waters or 3 sugars. Instead, we measure them in different ways. A glass of water, a bottle of milk, a bag of sugar. Uncountable nouns are usually liquids, tiny particles, or things that cannot be divided easily. Some words describe a group of people, animals, or things. These are called collective nouns. Instead of saying a group of birds, we say a flock of birds. Other examples include a team, a family, a herd. Collective nouns make it easier to talk about groups. Now let's talk about material nouns. These words tell us what things are made of. For example, gold, wood, iron, cotton. Material nouns help us describe objects. Instead of saying, "This ring is made of that shiny thing," we simply say, "This ring is made of gold." A possessive noun is a noun that shows ownership or belonging. It tells us that something belongs to a person, an animal, a place, or even an idea. We form possessive nouns by adding an apostrophe and sometimes an S to the noun. The noun teacher is singular, meaning one teacher. The desk belongs to the teacher, so we add apostrophe plus S to teacher. The teacher's desk is full of books. The noun brother is singular, meaning one brother. To show that the car belongs to my brother, we add apostrophe S to brother. My brother's car. If a noun is plural and already ends in S, we just add an apostrophe after the S. For example, the teacher's room means the room belongs to multiple teachers. Some plural nouns do not end in S, like children, men, women. For these words, we add apostrophe S, just like singular nouns. For example, children's books, men's shoes. Now you know the types of nouns. See you in the next lesson.